Welcome to DataStudio's tutorial for generative AI. Today's tutorial is dedicated to our Supervised Language Model Fine-Tuning capability, an integral role that can be used to fine-tune LLMs. This tutorial will guide you through DataStudio's fine-tuning feature, demonstrating its importance in fine-tuning large language models with precision and ease. Let's dive into a live demonstration. Visit our platform at datastudio.indicaai.com. Create a new project. Choose the Supervised Language Model Fine-Tuning template from our extensive collection designed for generative AI projects. Upload your data in JSON format utilizing either local storage options or our seamless cloud integration. Begin the annotation process by selecting a specific data point. Provide appropriate responses to every prompt in your data. Finalize the process by exporting your annotated dataset in industry standard formats such as JSON, JSON-min, and CSV. So I'll click Export, then I'll click on JSON-min and export it. Save it as prompts.json on my desktop. I exported in JSON-min format so that I can upload my file for fine-tuning here. Then I'll go to Runtime and click on Run All. And see the responses generated by the original GPT-2 as well as the fine-tuned GPT-2 and compare the differences. So I'll click on Original GPT-2. Then I'll type on the prompts here. Like, what is the theory of relativity? Submit, and I'll see my output here once it's done loading. Now I'll come to fine-tune GPT-2 and submit again and see the difference between the two. And now we get this. As you can notice, the responses generated by the fine-tuned GPT-2 and original GPT-2 differ by a great deal. Therefore, it is essential to fine-tune these LLMs before integrating them for your specific use case. Platforms like DataStudio help users make crisp and high-quality data with ease, thus simplifying the fine-tuning process. Designed with your AI projects in mind, our platform ensures a streamlined and productive experience in the field of generative AI. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you.